Imagine a shark as long as a bus. Picture jaws so powerful they could crush a car. This wasn't science fiction. This was the Megalodon. This monstrous shark prowled the oceans millions of years ago, leaving behind an enduring legacy of fear and fascination. The Megalodon makes the great white look tiny. Its teeth, some the size of your hand, are scattered across the ocean floor. These fossils tell a tale of a predator unlike any other. Driven by an insatiable appetite, the Megalodon ruled the seas. Its massive size and bone-crushing bite made it the apex predator of its time. But its reign, like all things, eventually came to an end. Or did it? Could this prehistoric monster still lurk in the unexplored depths of our oceans? The question continues to ignite debate and fuel our imaginations. Join me as we dive deep into the mystery of the Megalodon. The Megalodon story is woven into the fabric of our collective imagination. For centuries, these giant teeth sparked tales of sea monsters and terrifying leviathans. Ancient civilizations wove legends around these mysterious fossils, attributing them to mythical creatures and deities. In more recent times, the Megalodon has captured the attention of scientists and storytellers alike. From documentaries to blockbuster films, this prehistoric predator has become a cultural icon, symbolizing the awesome power and mystery of the deep ocean. The fascination goes beyond entertainment. The Megalodon's existence, though long past, offers a window into Earth's history. By studying its fossils and understanding its environment, we gain valuable insights into the evolution of marine life and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. But the question remains, is the Megalodon's story truly over? Or could this apex predator still be lurking in the vast, unexplored depths of our oceans? The possibility, however remote, continues to intrigue and inspire exploration. The Megalodon wasn't just big, it was colossal, a true giant of the ancient seas. Imagine a shark 3 times longer than the largest great white ever recorded, a predator of unimaginable proportions. Fossil evidence suggests these behemoths could reach up to 60 feet in length, dominating the oceans from around 23 million to 3.6 million years ago. Their teeth, some as large as a human hand, are a testament to their incredible size and power. This was a time when whales grew to extraordinary sizes, and the Megalodon, with its powerful jaws and teeth like steak knives, was their primary predator. They could crush bones with a single bite, making them the ultimate hunters of their era. They were masters of their domain, ruling the warm, shallow seas that covered much of the planet. These seas were teeming with life, providing ample hunting grounds for the Megalodon. But even apex predators aren't invincible. The balance of nature is delicate, and even the mightiest can fall. Climate change, dwindling food sources, and competition from other predators likely contributed to the Megalodon's demise. As the oceans cooled and food became scarce, the Megalodon struggled to survive. The once mighty ruler of the seas vanished from the fossil record, leaving behind only tantalizing clues of its existence. Fossilized teeth and vertebrae are all that remain of this ancient giant. The official story tells us the Megalodon is long gone, lost to the depths of prehistory. Its reign ended millions of years ago, but its legend lives on. But the ocean is a vast and mysterious place, holding countless secrets yet to be uncovered. Its depths are largely unexplored, and who knows what might still be lurking in the shadows. And some believe the Megalodon might be one of them. Could this ancient predator still be out there, hidden in the unexplored corners of our oceans? The mystery continues to captivate our imaginations. The ocean whispers with stories. Fishermen spin yarns of colossal shapes beneath the waves. Divers claim to have glimpsed creatures too massive to be anything known to science. Could these be more than just tall tales? Could they be glimpses of a surviving Megalodon?
While intriguing, these anecdotal accounts are often unreliable. The vastness of the ocean, coupled with poor visibility and the tendency to exaggerate, makes it difficult to verify such reports. Even experienced researchers can misidentify marine life under challenging conditions.
However, some scientists entertain the possibility that the Megalodon might not be entirely extinct. They point to the discovery of the coelacanth, a fish thought to have died out alongside the dinosaurs, only to be rediscovered alive and well in 1938. If a creature as large as the coelacanth could remain hidden for so long, could the Megalodon be doing the same? The possibility, however slim, is enough to keep the debate alive and inspire continued exploration of the ocean's hidden depths.
Finding a megalodon, if one exists, would be like finding a needle in a haystack the size of the Pacific Ocean. The sheer vastness of the ocean presents a formidable challenge. We've explored less than 5% of it, leaving ample room for even the largest creatures to remain hidden.
Another hurdle is the lack of concrete evidence. While anecdotal sightings and blurry photographs can fuel speculation, they fall short of scientific proof. Scientists need tangible evidence like DNA samples, clear photographs, or even a carcass to confirm the megalodon's continued existence.
Furthermore, skepticism within the scientific community poses another challenge. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and many scientists remain unconvinced by the existing anecdotal accounts. The burden of proof rests heavily on those who believe in the megalodon's survival. Despite these challenges, the search for the megalodon continues. New technologies and ongoing research efforts offer hope that we may one day unravel this enduring mystery of the deep. The search for the megalodon is a race against time, a quest to uncover a prehistoric mystery before it vanishes entirely. This ancient predator, once the ruler of the seas, has left behind tantalizing clues in the form of massive teeth and fossilized remains. Fortunately, advances in technology are giving us new tools to explore the ocean's depths. These innovations are revolutionizing our approach to marine research, making it possible to reach areas that were once considered inaccessible.
Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, equipped with high-definition cameras and sampling devices, are venturing into previously unreachable depths. These sophisticated machines are our eyes and hands in the deep sea, capturing high-resolution images and collecting valuable samples. These robotic explorers are beaming back unprecedented images and data, expanding our understanding of the deep ocean and its inhabitants. The live feeds from these ROVs provide real-time insights into the mysterious world beneath the waves. Sophisticated sonar technology is allowing us to map the ocean floor in greater detail than ever before, revealing hidden trenches, underwater mountains, and potential hiding places for elusive creatures. This detailed mapping is crucial for identifying areas where the megalodon might still be lurking.
These advancements are providing a clearer picture of the ocean's complex topography, helping scientists to navigate and explore with greater precision, and the life it sustains. Furthermore, DNA analysis of seawater samples is opening up new possibilities. This cutting-edge technique allows researchers to detect the presence of marine species by analyzing genetic material found in the water. By identifying traces of genetic material left behind by marine animals, scientists can potentially detect the presence of species even without direct observation. This method is particularly useful in the vast and often inaccessible oceanic environment. This technique could provide the breakthrough evidence needed to prove or disprove the megalodon's existence. If successful, it would be a monumental discovery, reshaping our understanding of marine life and the history of our planet's oceans. The thought of a megalodon patrolling our oceans is enough to send shivers down your spine. This colossal predator, once the ruler of ancient seas, would be a terrifying presence in our modern world. It would be a game changer, altering the dynamics of marine life and human activities alike, forcing us to reevaluate our place in the food chain and reconsider our safety in the waters we often take for granted, and the way we interact with the marine environment. Our recreational activities, such as diving and snorkeling, would be fraught with new dangers.
Imagine the impact on marine ecosystems. The presence of such a dominant predator would ripple through the entire oceanic community. As an apex predator, the megalodon would compete with existing species for food, leading to fierce competition and potential extinction of some species, potentially disrupting delicate balances that have evolved over millions of years. The intricate web of predator and prey relationships would be thrown into chaos. It could decimate fish populations, impact marine mammal populations, and even affect the smallest organisms in the food chain, and alter the entire food web. The cascading effects would be felt throughout the ocean, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales.
The presence of such a massive predator would also have implications for human activities. Our reliance on the ocean for transportation and resources would be challenged. Shipping lanes might need to be rerouted, leading to longer travel times and increased costs for goods. Fishing grounds could become too dangerous to operate in, putting the livelihoods of countless fishermen at risk. And coastal communities would face a new kind of threat. The fear of a megalodon attack could deter tourism and disrupt local economies. The discovery of a living megalodon would be a global sensation, capturing the imagination of people around the world. sparking fear, wonder, and intense scientific scrutiny. Researchers would be eager to study this ancient creature, hoping to unlock secrets of the past. It would force us to confront the limitations of our knowledge and challenge our understanding of marine biology and evolution, and the awe-inspiring power of the natural world. The Megalodon, a symbol of nature's might, would remind us of the mysteries that still lie beneath the ocean's surface. The mystery of the Megalodon continues to captivate our imaginations. It's a tale of prehistoric giants, unexplored depths, and the enduring power of the unknown. While the debate about its existence rages on, one thing is certain: the ocean holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of the Megalodon. Research its history, explore the evidence, and form your own conclusions. Share your thoughts, engage in discussions, and join the ongoing exploration of our planet's final frontier. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place.
Let's imagine what would happen if the USA suddenly vanished from the world. Not only would the country itself disappear, but so would its influence and power. This would cause big changes everywhere. Countries that depend on the USA for trade and security would face lots of problems and uncertainties. They might have to form new alliances or find new ways to stay strong. Other countries might try to become more powerful. Understanding these changes is important because the disappearance of the USA would reshape the world. Some countries might benefit, while others might struggle. Everyone would need to adjust quickly to avoid chaos and conflict. By thinking about this scenario, we learn how connected and balanced the world is. After the sudden disappearance of the USA, Russia quickly takes the chance to show its military strength and expand its territory. First, Russia invades Georgia and Ukraine to gain more control over nearby countries. This bold move causes many problems and forces countries in Eastern Europe and the Balkans to pick sides. Some countries decide to support Russia to benefit from its growing power, while others resist and look for help from other global powers. This shift in power causes more tension, fights over territory, and possible military conflicts. With Russia controlling more land and resources, nearby countries worry about more attacks and change their security plans. The whole region becomes more unstable as nations deal with the new reality of a powerful Russia. These events show how tricky international relations are and how hard it is to keep peace. As Russia gains control, the impact on global security and diplomacy could be huge, affecting other regions and superpower rivalries. It's important to watch Russia's actions closely as they can change the world's balance of power. Understanding these events helps us see how military actions can impact regional and global stability. After the USA disappears, China becomes very powerful in Asia and the Pacific region. Using its strong military and territorial ambitions, China focuses on Taiwan and North Korea, making strategic moves to control these areas. This causes worries for nearby countries and global powers, leading to a fragile balance of power. Naval conflicts and power struggles increase between China, Japan, and South Korea as they each try to protect their interests in key maritime territories. The South China Sea becomes a hotspot for military actions and territorial disputes, with China's growing navy challenging its neighbors. China's rise has big economic and political effects. Its Belt and Road Initiative gains strength, boosting its economic power in Asia and beyond. As China becomes more influential, other countries start aligning with it, reshaping trade, security, and cooperation in the region. The power dynamics in Asia and the Pacific change significantly as China asserts itself. Neighboring countries reassess their strategies and alliances to adapt to this new reality. The effects of China's actions go beyond the region, with global powers watching closely. Understanding China's military advancements, territorial ambitions, and conflicts helps us see the complexities of power dynamics and the challenges of keeping peace. As China's influence grows, it's crucial to monitor the economic, political, and military impacts carefully. After the USA disappears, Europe struggles with the power vacuum it leaves behind. NATO leads efforts to stop Russian aggression and keep the region stable. Battles break out in Eastern Europe as NATO forces clash with Russian troops. Both sides fight for control over important territories and resources. Countries in Europe face tough choices about their alliances and interests. Traditional partnerships are strained, and new ones form. NATO faces challenges with internal disagreements, limited resources, and modern warfare tactics. The threat of Russian aggression forces NATO members to rethink their defense strategies. NATO's struggles show the need for unity and cooperation among European countries to confront common security threats. As the power dynamics in Europe change, NATO's role in protecting its members becomes more important. European countries must work together to strengthen their defenses and uphold collective security to counter Russian aggression and keep the region stable. The disappearance of the USA changes the world, causing Russia and China to become more powerful. Their growing influence could lead to a new Cold War, affecting global politics and alliances. Russia and China work together, challenging the old world order. Countries must choose sides based on their interests. This new Cold War could lead to more tensions, proxy wars, and global instability. Key regions like Eastern Europe, the Asia-Pacific, and the Arctic may see more military actions and territorial disputes. As Russia and China expand their control, the risk of mistakes and conflicts increases, threatening regional and global stability. The Cold War between Russia and China affects not just military matters, but also economic relations, technology, and global competition. This could weaken international institutions and lead to more great power rivalry, similar to the original Cold War. Understanding these changes helps us see the challenges of modern geopolitics. Countries need to adapt, cooperate, and promote peace to reduce the risk of conflict and maintain stability in a world with shifting power dynamics. This video explored what might have happened if the USA suddenly disappeared and how it would affect the world. We looked at how Russia and China could become more powerful and cause conflicts as they try to take control of different regions. Without the USA, the global balance of power would be shaky, and keeping peace would be much harder. Let us know in the comments what you think a world led by Russia and China might look like without the USA, and why it's important for countries to work together to manage these changes. By considering possible conflicts and power shifts without the USA, you should learn about the risks and opportunities in a changing world. Understanding these scenarios helps us prepare for challenges and opportunities in a connected and ever-changing world.
Agartha, a legendary realm often described as a vast underground city, has captivated the imaginations of many throughout history. This mythical place is said to be inhabited by advanced beings who possess profound wisdom and knowledge, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a hidden world beneath our feet. The allure of Agartha lies not only in its mysterious geography, but also in the promise of enlightenment and the secrets of ancient civilizations. As we delve into this topic, we invite you to think about the significance of exploring such hidden realms, which challenge our understanding of history and the potential for undiscovered truths. The legend of Agartha serves as a reminder that our world is filled with enigmas waiting to be unraveled, urging us to look beyond the surface and question the stories we've always believed. Join us on this thought-provoking journey as we uncover the layers of myth and reality surrounding Agartha and its impact on human history. Agartha has long captivated the imagination of diverse cultures, weaving its way through the tapestry of human history. This mythical underground realm is often linked to various spiritual traditions, notably Hinduism and Tibetan Buddhism, where it is seen as a sacred place of enlightenment and refuge. In these traditions, Agartha is believed to be a sanctuary for advanced beings who possess profound spiritual knowledge, offering a path to higher consciousness. The mystery surrounding Agartha has inspired countless explorers, writers, and seekers, who have sought to uncover its hidden secrets and the wisdom it supposedly holds. This fascination transcends geographical boundaries, as tales of Agartha resonate with themes of lost civilizations and the quest for truth. The allure of this enigmatic realm invites us to reflect on our own understanding of history and spirituality, urging us to consider what lies beneath the surface of our known world. As we explore Agartha's significance, we delve into the depths of human curiosity and the timeless quest for knowledge. Literature has played a pivotal role in shaping the stories of Agartha, with books like Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth significantly influencing public perception of hidden realms. Verne's imaginative tale, published in 1864, introduced readers to the idea of subterranean worlds filled with wonders and mysteries, sparking curiosity about what might lie beneath the Earth's surface. This written exploration not only captivated audiences, but also laid the groundwork for the modern fascination with Agartha and similar legends. As stories of hidden civilizations increased in literature, they fueled the imaginations of adventurers and scholars alike, inspiring real-world quests to uncover these elusive realms. The intersection of fiction and exploration highlights humanity's enduring desire to seek out the unknown, as countless individuals have embarked on journeys in search of Agartha, driven by the belief that ancient wisdom and secrets await discovery. Through literature, the story of Agartha continues to evolve, inviting new generations to think about the mysteries of our world. The Hollow Earth theory suggests that our planet is not solid, but rather contains vast, empty spaces within, potentially housing entire civilizations like Agartha. This intriguing concept has attracted various proponents throughout history who have speculated about the existence of subterranean worlds. One notable advocate is John Cleese Sims Jr., an explorer and researcher who passionately promoted the idea of exploring these hidden realms. Sims argued that the mysteries of the Earth's interior could hold answers to profound questions about our existence and the universe. The Hollow Earth theory exemplifies the interplay between scientific inquiry and speculative thought, as it challenges conventional geological understanding while inviting imaginative exploration. While mainstream science largely dismisses the notion of a hollow Earth, the theory continues to inspire curiosity and debate, encouraging individuals to think about the possibilities that lie beneath our feet. This blend of scientific skepticism and imaginative speculation fuels ongoing discussions about Agartha and the allure of hidden civilizations waiting to be discovered. Olaf Janssen's account of his journey to Agartha is a captivating tale that has become a cornerstone of Agartha lore. Janssen claimed to have ventured into the depths of the Earth through a hidden entrance in the North Pole, where he encountered an advanced civilization thriving in a lush, vibrant environment. His story describes a society that possesses remarkable technological wonders, far surpassing anything known on the surface, including advanced energy sources and sophisticated architecture. This depiction of Agartha not only fuels the imagination, but also emphasizes the potential for human advancement and enlightenment. Janssen's story resonates with themes of spiritual awakening, suggesting that the inhabitants of Agartha possess profound wisdom and a deep understanding of the universe. His claims have inspired countless seekers and researchers, encouraging them to explore the possibilities of hidden realms and the knowledge they may hold. Ultimately, Janssen's story serves as a powerful reminder of humanity's quest for understanding and the allure of discovering lost civilizations. Helena Blavatsky played a pivotal role in popularizing the concept of Agartha, presenting it as a center of spiritual enlightenment and ancient wisdom. As a co-founder of the Theosophical Society in the late 19th century, Blavatsky claimed that Agartha was inhabited by highly evolved beings who possessed profound knowledge about the universe and humanity's spiritual evolution. Her writings, particularly in The Secret Doctrine, sparked significant interest in Agartha within Western mysticism, framing it as a mystical realm that could offer insights into the nature of existence. Blavatsky's ideas resonated with those seeking deeper spiritual understanding, leading to a surge of fascination with hidden civilizations and the potential for enlightenment. This newfound interest inspired subsequent explorations and expeditions aimed at uncovering the mysteries of Agartha, as seekers and adventurers sought to validate her claims. Blavatsky's influence not only improved the story surrounding Agartha, but also encouraged a broader exploration of spirituality and the quest for hidden truths in our world. Admiral Richard Byrd's Antarctic expeditions in the mid-20th century have become a focal point of speculation regarding Agartha and hidden worlds beneath the Earth's surface. During his notable flights over Antarctica, Byrd reported encountering vast, unexplored territories and unusual geographical features, which fueled theories about the existence of subterranean civilizations. His findings, particularly his claims of advanced technology and mysterious phenomena, sparked intrigue among those interested in the possibility of Agartha. Some enthusiasts interpreted Byrd's reports as evidence of a hidden world inhabited by advanced beings, suggesting that these worlds could hold secrets to humanity's past and future. The allure of Antarctica as a potential gateway to Agartha continues to captivate the imagination, with many theorists proposing that the continent conceals entrances to this mythical civilization. Byrd's expeditions have contributed to the ongoing intrigue surrounding Antarctica in Agartha lore, blending elements of exploration, mystery, and the quest for knowledge about our planet's hidden depths. The unsettling association between Nazi ideology and the Agartha story reveals a disturbing connection of beliefs that shaped the regime's worldview. Some Nazi leaders were drawn to the idea of Agartha as a hidden world inhabited by an advanced Aryan race, which they believed could provide insights into their notions of racial superiority and ancient wisdom. This fascination with obscure knowledge and the pursuit of lost civilizations led to a broader interest in occult practices and mythologies, as the regime sought to legitimize its ideology through connections to ancient races and mystical traditions. The Nazis' exploration of these themes not only influenced their propaganda, but also had profound implications for historical stories as they attempted to rewrite history to align with their beliefs. This appropriation of Agartha and similar myths highlights the dangers of connecting ideology with speculative thought, demonstrating how such beliefs can distort understanding and justify horrific actions. The legacy of these associations continues to provoke critical examination of the intersection between myth, history, and ideology. The concept of portals leading to Agartha has intrigued seekers and adventurers for generations, with various locations around the world believed to harbor entrances to this mythical realm. Among the most notable sites is Mount Shasta in California, often regarded as a spiritual hotspot where many claim to have encountered beings from Agartha. The mountain is steeped in legends of hidden cities and advanced civilizations residing within its depths. Similarly, the Himalayas are frequently cited as another significant location, with tales of ancient sages and mystical beings who guard the secrets of Agartha. Other proposed portals include the Bermuda Triangle and the North and South Poles, each shrouded in mystery and folklore. These sites are often associated with myths and legends that speak of hidden knowledge, spiritual enlightenment, and the possibility of transcending ordinary reality. The allure of these portals invites exploration and contemplation as they symbolize humanity's enduring quest for connection to the unknown and the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our world. Safeguarding wisdom throughout history has been crucial for the advancement of human civilization, with ancient cultures playing a vital role in preserving knowledge for future generations. The Library of Alexandria stands as a prominent example, housing countless scrolls and texts that encompassed a wealth of information from various cultures, including philosophy, science, and literature. Its tragic destruction symbolizes the fragility of knowledge and the importance of safeguarding intellectual heritage. Similarly, the Mayan codices, which contained complex records of astronomy, mathematics, and mythology, reflect the commitment of ancient civilizations to document and protect their wisdom. These efforts resonate with the legend of Agartha, often depicted as a repository of truth and enlightenment hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Agartha embodies the idea that knowledge is not only a tool for progress, but also a sacred trust that must be preserved. By examining these historical examples, we recognize the enduring significance of safeguarding wisdom, as it serves as a foundation for understanding our past and shaping our future. In this video, we explored the enduring allure of Agartha, a mythical realm that has captivated cultures throughout history. We discussed its significance as a symbol of hidden wisdom and spiritual enlightenment, highlighting how various legends and stories from ancient civilizations to modern interpretations contribute to its mystique. The connections between Agartha and themes of inner exploration, renewal, and the safeguarding of knowledge were emphasized, showcasing its relevance in our quest for understanding. Reflect on your own journeys for knowledge and enlightenment, considering how the pursuit of hidden truths can improve your life. The quest for understanding is a timeless endeavor, and we hope this exploration of Agartha inspires you to seek out the wisdom that lies beneath the surface of our world. What do you think we might discover if we found ancient civilizations or lost worlds hidden deep beneath the Earth? Share your theories and wildest imaginations in the comments below. Let's dive into the mysteries that could be lurking right under our feet. Black holes, where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, fascinate us and challenge our understanding of the universe. These cosmic giants are more common than we might think, hidden deep within galaxies and affecting the stars and matter around them. As we explore the mysteries of black holes, think about their possible impact on Earth. Understanding them is important, as they not only shape the universe but could also affect our planet's future. Join us as we journey into the heart of black holes and their significance. Black holes are fascinating celestial objects characterized by their immense gravitational pull, which is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. There are primarily two types of black holes. Stellar black holes, formed from the remnants of massive stars after a supernova explosion, and supermassive black holes, which reside at the center of galaxies and can hold millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun. The formation of a stellar black hole occurs when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, leading to a catastrophic collapse. These black holes vary in size, but all possess an extraordinary gravitational force that influences nearby stars and gas, shaping the structure of the universe. To understand the threat a black hole could pose to Earth, we must first consider the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape a black hole's gravitational pull. If a black hole were to approach our planet, its immense gravity could disrupt orbits, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences. Even a small black hole, if it were to come within a few light years of Earth, could wreak havoc by pulling in nearby celestial bodies and altering gravitational forces. The danger lies not only in the black hole itself, but also in the chaos it could unleash on our solar system, emphasizing the importance of monitoring these cosmic phenomena. If Earth were to be pulled into a black hole, the consequences would be catastrophic. One significant effect would be tidal heating, where the immense gravitational forces create extreme stress on our planet, leading to intense geological activity. This could result in widespread earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Additionally, as Earth approached the event horizon, the phenomenon known as spaghettification would occur, stretching and compressing objects due to the varying gravitational pull. This would not only affect the planet itself, but also generate massive tidal waves and tsunamis, devastating coastal regions. The combination of these forces would lead to an unprecedented and chaotic transformation of our world. If a black hole were to intervene in our solar system, the delicate balance that governs planetary orbits would be severely disrupted. The gravitational influence of the black hole could destabilize the orbits of planets, leading to chaotic movements and potential collisions. Additionally, the presence of a black hole would increase the risk of asteroids being drawn into the inner solar system, posing a threat to Earth and other planets. Moreover, the intense radiation emitted from matter falling into the black hole could create hazardous conditions. In this tumultuous scenario, planets could be ejected from their orbits entirely, resulting in a dramatically altered solar system landscape. In the face of a black hole encounter, humanity might consider innovative survival strategies, such as developing a hyper-reinforced space shuttle designed to withstand extreme gravitational forces. This advanced vessel could potentially protect its occupants from the intense tidal effects and radiation associated with a black hole. However, the true nature of physics inside a black hole remains largely unknown, presenting both challenges and opportunities for exploration. As we ponder these possibilities, we encourage viewers to think creatively about survival in such extreme conditions. By embracing imagination and scientific inquiry, we may uncover new methods to navigate the cosmos and safeguard our future against cosmic threats. Black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics, with significant limitations in our understanding of their interiors and the fundamental laws governing them. The extreme conditions within a black hole challenge our current theories, leading scientists to speculate about the existence of alternate dimensions or parallel universes that could coexist alongside our own. These intriguing possibilities invite us to question the very nature of reality and the universe itself. As we delve deeper into the enigma of black holes, we encourage curiosity and exploration, urging everyone to ponder the profound implications these cosmic phenomena hold for our understanding of existence and the fabric of space-time. In this video, we explored the fascinating yet dangerous nature of black holes, emphasizing their potential effects on Earth and the delicate balance of our solar system. We discussed how black holes can disrupt orbits, cause catastrophic geological events, and even lead to the ejection of planets. We invite you to watch more related topics on our channel and continue your journey of discovery, as there is so much more to learn about these cosmic phenomena and their implications for our understanding of reality. How do you think humanity would survive if Earth got sucked into a black hole? Share your ideas and wildest theories in the comments below. Let's imagine how we could navigate this cosmic catastrophe and find a way to secure our future. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, holds a unique position in our solar system, making it a fascinating subject of study. Its proximity to the Sun results in significant gravitational and thermal influences, which contribute to its extreme temperature fluctuations. During the day, temperatures can soar to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night they plummet to a frigid -330 degrees Fahrenheit. This stark contrast is due to Mercury's thin atmosphere, which is unable to retain heat. Additionally, Mercury has an unusual day and night cycle. A single day on Mercury, defined by the time it takes for the planet to rotate on its axis, lasts about 59 Earth days, while its year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 88 Earth days. This peculiar rhythm creates a unique environment that challenges our understanding of planetary conditions. As we prepare to go on a mission to experience Mercury firsthand, we anticipate uncovering the mysteries of this enigmatic planet and its extreme characteristics. Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature variations in the solar system, with surface temperatures ranging from a frigid -180 degrees Celsius at night to a scorching 430 degrees Celsius during the day. This dramatic fluctuation is primarily due to Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere. Instead, it possesses a thin exosphere composed of trace gases that offers minimal insulation. As a result, the planet cannot retain heat, leading to rapid temperature changes as the Sun rises and sets. The implications of these temperature extremes are significant, posing serious challenges for any potential exploration or habitation. The intense heat can cause materials to expand and degrade, while the extreme cold can lead to contraction and brittleness. Additionally, these conditions create a hostile environment for any form of life, as the temperature swings can be lethal. Understanding these variations is crucial for scientists and explorers as they navigate the complexities of Mercury's surface and prepare for the potential dangers posed by its harsh climate. Imagine an unprecedented mission to Mercury, where you undertake a brief yet groundbreaking experience on the planet's surface. The mission is meticulously planned to allow you a 10-second stay on Mercury, a duration that, while short, is crucial for gathering valuable data and first-hand observations. This brief encounter will provide insights into the extreme conditions and unique characteristics of the planet. Given the inherent dangers of Mercury's harsh environment, preparation and simulation are of utmost importance. You would take extensive training sessions, utilizing advanced virtual reality simulations to replicate the extreme temperatures and gravitational conditions. These simulations are designed to ensure that you would be fully equipped to handle the challenges of the mission, from the intense heat to the rapid temperature fluctuations. Safety protocols would be established to mitigate risks, emphasizing the importance of thorough preparation in making this ambitious endeavor a success. The mission represents a significant step forward in our understanding of Mercury and its enigmatic environment. Landing on Mercury's surface presents a unique set of challenges that make it one of the most difficult missions in space exploration. One of the primary obstacles is Mercury's small size, which results in a bumpy and uneven terrain filled with craters and cliffs. This rugged landscape complicates the landing process, as precision is crucial to avoid hazardous areas. Additionally, Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere poses significant challenges for landing techniques. Unlike Earth, where atmospheric drag can slow down a spacecraft, Mercury's thin exosphere offers little resistance, requiring advanced technology to ensure a controlled descent. The spacecraft must rely on precise calculations and powerful thrusters to navigate the harsh conditions. Compounding these difficulties is the gravitational influence of the Sun, which affects Mercury's orbit and adds complexity to the landing trajectory. The intense solar gravity can alter the spacecraft's path, requiring careful planning and execution to achieve a successful landing. These factors combined make landing on Mercury a formidable task that demands innovative solutions and meticulous preparation. Mercury's conditions during the day and night are starkly contrasting, creating a planet of extremes. During the daytime, temperatures soar to an intense 430 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places in the solar system. This extreme heat is a result of Mercury's proximity to the Sun and its thin atmosphere, which fails to retain heat. The surface becomes inhospitable, with materials expanding and potentially degrading under such conditions. In contrast, nighttime on Mercury plunges to frigid temperatures of -180 degrees Celsius, creating a perilous environment where the cold can be equally dangerous. The rapid drop in temperature can lead to severe thermal stress on any equipment or materials left exposed. Between these two extremes lies the Terminator Zone, the region that separates day from night. This area presents a unique opportunity for exploration, as it experiences more moderate temperatures and could serve as a potential landing site. The Terminator Zone offers a balance between the harsh conditions of day and night, making it an intriguing target for future missions to Mercury. The Terminator Zone is defined as the transitional area on Mercury that lies between the illuminated side, experiencing perpetual daylight, and the dark side, shrouded in night. This zone is significant because it offers a unique environment where temperatures are more bearable compared to the extreme heat of the daytime or the frigid cold of nighttime. In this region, the temperature fluctuations are less severe, making it a more suitable location for exploration and potential landings. The Terminator Zone also presents a remarkable opportunity to witness Mercury's unique sunrises and sunsets, which occur over an extended period due to the planet's slow rotation. As the sun rises, it casts long shadows across the rugged terrain, creating stunning visual displays that highlight the planet's geological features. This phenomenon not only provides a captivating spectacle, but also allows scientists to study the effects of sunlight on Mercury's surface in real time. The Terminator Zone, therefore, stands out as a critical area for future missions, combining manageable conditions with the chance to observe the planet's dynamic environment. Upon landing in the Terminator Zone, you would immediately be struck by the extreme temperature readings, which would hover around a sweltering 300 degrees Celsius. The initial feelings of exhilaration would quickly mingle with a sense of urgency as you step onto the surface, acutely aware of the harsh environment surrounding you. Despite the challenges, including the intense heat and the constant threat of micrometeorites, you would embrace the adventurous spirit of the mission. This brief stay would become a testament to human resilience and the thrill of exploration in the face of adversity. The video highlighted the extreme conditions and challenges that define Mercury, from its scorching daytime temperatures reaching up to 430 degrees Celsius to the bone-chilling nighttime lows of -180 degrees Celsius. We explored the difficulties of landing on this small planet, including its rugged terrain and the impact of its thin atmosphere on landing techniques. Your brief experience in the Terminator Zone showcased the unique opportunity to witness Mercury's stunning sunrises while navigating unexpected challenges such as micrometeorites. These elements underscore the planet's harsh environment and the adventurous spirit required for exploration. What do you think would be the most dangerous part of spending 10 seconds on Mercury? Let us know in the comments below.
The Sun, a colossal ball of gas, is the heart of our solar system, providing light and warmth essential for life on Earth. If it were to explode tomorrow, the consequences would be catastrophic. The immediate shockwave would obliterate planets, including our own, while the intense radiation would incinerate everything in its path. This thought-provoking scenario invites us to ponder the fragility of our existence and the vastness of the universe. Cosmic events like a solar explosion remind us of the incredible forces at play beyond our planet, sparking curiosity about the mysteries of space and our place within it. The Sun, currently about 4.6 billion years old, is expected to last for another 5 billion years before exhausting its nuclear fuel. Its structure consists of layers, including the core, where fusion occurs, and the outer layers that emit light and heat. This energy is crucial for sustaining life on Earth, driving weather patterns and photosynthesis. However, as the Sun ages, it becomes a ticking time bomb, gradually expanding into a red giant, and ultimately shedding its outer layers. This transformation will reshape our solar system, reminding us of the inevitable changes that await even the most vital celestial bodies. The Sun is approximately 93 million miles from Earth, with light taking about 8 minutes to reach us. If a solar explosion, such as a supernova, were to occur, we would initially remain unaware for those crucial minutes. The implications of being too close to such an event would be dire. The intense radiation and shock waves could devastate our planet. Following the explosion, temperatures would plummet as sunlight is blocked, plunging Earth into darkness. This drastic change would disrupt ecosystems, halt photosynthesis, and lead to catastrophic consequences for all forms of life, highlighting the delicate balance we rely on. In the aftermath of a solar explosion, humanity's survival strategies would need to be innovative and resourceful. One possibility is moving underground to escape the extreme temperatures and radiation, utilizing natural insulation to create habitable environments. Long-term survival would depend on securing essential resources, such as water and food, through sustainable practices like hydroponics and recycling systems. Additionally, the concept of Earth finding a new orbit around another star, while highly theoretical, sparks intriguing discussions about advanced space travel and technology. Such strategies would require global cooperation and ingenuity, emphasizing humanity's resilience in the face of cosmic challenges. The sun's eventual death will unfold through a gradual process of expansion into a red giant followed by contraction as it sheds its outer layers. This transformation will create a nebula, enriching the surrounding space with elements necessary for new stars and planets to form. As the remnants of the sun cool and collapse, they may give rise to new celestial bodies, fostering the birth of future solar systems. In this changed galaxy, life and civilization could evolve in entirely different forms, adapting to new environments and conditions, showcasing the cyclical nature of the universe and the resilience of life amidst cosmic change. Imagine a future where humanity thrives on a space station or another planet, adapting to new environments and challenges. Picture life in a bustling colony on Mars, or floating cities in the clouds of Venus, where innovation and exploration are part of daily existence. As we venture further into the cosmos, the possibility of new humanoid species evolving in response to different planetary conditions sparks the imagination. This invites us to think creatively about the future of our solar system, envisioning diverse forms of life and civilizations that could emerge, reminding us that the universe holds endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. In summary, understanding cosmic events, such as the potential explosion of the sun, is crucial for grasping their implications on our existence. We explored the sun's characteristics, its eventual death, and the immediate effects of such an explosion on Earth. This discussion highlights humanity's resilience and adaptability in the face of cosmic challenges, encouraging us to think creatively about our future in space. As we continue to explore these fascinating topics, we invite you to stay updated on more engaging content on our channel that delves into the mysteries of the universe and our role in it. How do you think humanity would cope if the sun suddenly exploded? Share your thoughts and most creative ideas in the comments below. Let's explore how we could face this cosmic disaster and find a way to ensure our survival.
Have you ever wondered what's beyond the blue skies above our head? The Earth's atmosphere isn't just empty space. It's a system of layers that support life on our planet. Today, we'll explore what might happen if these layers became toxic and how it could affect our environment, health, and daily lives. The atmosphere has different layers, each with its own job. The troposphere is where weather happens, and we get the oxygen we breathe. The stratosphere has the ozone layer that protects us from harmful UV rays. These layers work together to keep Earth habitable. But what if these layers got polluted with toxic substances? The effects could be devastating. Toxic layers could lead to more air pollution, causing smog and breathing problems for humans and animals. Our ecosystems could be thrown off balance, reducing biodiversity and the resources we rely on. Let's imagine and understand the potential impact of toxic atmospheric layers on our world, health, and everyday life. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the skies and the hidden dangers they might hold. The Earth's atmosphere is a complex system made up of different layers, each with its own important job. Let's explore these layers and learn what they do in their normal, healthy state. First, there's the troposphere, which is closest to Earth. This is where all our weather happens and where we breathe the air. It's mostly made of nitrogen and oxygen and helps regulate temperature and moisture, making life possible. Next is the stratosphere. This layer has the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays and helps keep the temperature stable. Above the stratosphere is the mesosphere, where it gets really cold. This layer helps break up meteors and space debris, protecting Earth from getting hit. Then we have the thermosphere, where it gets very hot because it absorbs a lot of solar radiation. This layer is where the beautiful northern and southern lights happen. The last layer is the exosphere. It's the outermost layer and has very few molecules, marking the edge of space. Each layer of the atmosphere works together to control the weather, regulate temperature, and protect life on Earth. Understanding these layers helps us appreciate how they all help keep our planet in balance. Imagine if the air around us became filled with harmful gases and pollutants. This would disrupt the delicate balance that keeps life on Earth safe and healthy. The effects would be serious, affecting air quality, climate, plants, animals, and human health. First, the air we breathe would become dangerous. Pollutants would create smog and haze, causing breathing problems and other health issues for people and animals. Next, the climate would be affected. Toxic gases would trap more heat in the atmosphere, causing global warming to speed up and weather patterns to become more unpredictable. This would harm the ecosystems that many plants and animals depend on, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Plants and animals would also get sick more often, and some could even face extinction. Dealing with such a toxic environment would be very difficult, requiring new solutions and cooperation from people all over the world. This scenario shows why it's so important to keep our air clean and protect the balance of our natural world. If our air became filled with dangerous gases and pollutants, humanity would need to come up with smart ways to survive and thrive in this challenging world. Here are some ideas and technologies that could help us. First, we could create advanced air filters to clean the air we breathe. These filters could be used in buildings, cars, and even in special masks or suits to protect us from harmful pollutants. Wearing protective gear like masks and suits would become a part of everyday life. These would help keep us safe from the bad air and make sure we stay healthy. Another idea is geoengineering. This involves large projects to fix the atmosphere, like capturing carbon dioxide or reflecting sunlight away from Earth. These projects could help reduce the effects of toxic gases on our planet. Among the challenges posed by environmental degradation and the looming threat of a toxic atmosphere, there is still hope for a brighter future. Life on Earth has shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity, and there is immense potential for positive change through collective action and innovative solutions. Let's explore the possibilities for a sustainable and thriving planet. Success stories of environmental restoration and pollution reduction efforts serve as beacons of hope, showcasing the transformative impact of dedicated individuals and communities working together to heal our planet. From reforestation projects that restore vital ecosystems to clean energy initiatives that reduce carbon emissions, these examples demonstrate the power of human ingenuity and determination in creating a more sustainable world. It is crucial to recognize the importance of both individual and collective action in safeguarding the planet for future generations. Each small step towards sustainability, whether it's reducing waste, supporting renewable energy, or advocating for environmental policies, contributes to the greater goal of preserving our precious Earth. As we think about the future, let's stay positive and determined. The challenges we face may be daunting, but the power of human ingenuity and cooperation knows no bounds. By coming together, sharing knowledge, and embracing innovative solutions, we can pave the way for a brighter tomorrow where nature thrives and all life on Earth flourishes. Together, let's build a sustainable future filled with hope, resilience, and endless possibilities. Let's continue to work together towards a greener, healthier planet where all life can thrive. Remember, the power to make a difference lies in each and every one of us. How do you think people could live and thrive if the atmosphere became toxic? Share your thoughts and creative imagination in the comments below. Together, we can find possible ways to create a safe and sustainable future for everyone.
Imagine a cloudy day, and you're expecting the familiar sound of raindrops on your roof or skin. But as you step outside, something is very wrong. Instead of a cool shower of water, molten lava pours from the sky, transforming the very fabric of life on Earth. It's not a bizarre science fiction scenario. It's an apocalyptic world where lava, not water, falls from the heavens. How would our cities cope with such an extreme environment? Could life as we know it survive this infernal change, or would humanity be wiped out by the fiery onslaught? In this scenario, we'll explore the devastation, survival strategies, and ultimate impact this terrifying transformation would have on life, civilization, and the planet as a whole. To grasp the scale of this catastrophe, let's consider how such an event could occur. For molten lava to replace water in Earth's weather cycle, an immense change in the planet's geological processes would be needed. Imagine that the Earth experiences an extraordinary and continuous surge in volcanic activity. Hundreds of volcanoes would erupt simultaneously, spewing vast amounts of magma into the sky. Instead of water evaporating into the atmosphere, the intense heat would propel molten rock into the air, which then cools slightly before falling back to Earth. In this world, the water cycle would cease to exist, replaced by a lava cycle. What if the Earth's atmosphere became so saturated with ash that rain clouds no longer formed in the way we've come to understand? What if heat levels became so extreme that even solid rock could be molten enough to fall as liquid lava from the skies? Could the balance of nature handle this fiery onslaught, or would it destroy life altogether? The arrival of molten lava from the sky would have immediate and catastrophic effects on all forms of life. Imagine the rain that sustains crops, rivers, and forests, now replaced by a burning flood from the sky. What would happen to forests, fields, and even the delicate balance of the planet's ecosystems? First, all vegetation would be decimated. Trees and plants, which form the basis of the planet's food chains, would burn in an instant. Crops that humans rely on for sustenance would be turned to ash and charred remnants. Forests, home to countless species, would be reduced to wastelands. The direct effects on wildlife would be equally disastrous. Animals, unable to adapt to the extreme heat or find refuge from the lava rain, would face extinction. Birds would fall from the sky, their feathers disintegrating in the molten rain. Terrestrial animals, too, would have nowhere to hide. Even the most heat-resistant species would be overwhelmed. Would any species survive this apocalyptic shift? Or would we be left with a barren world, devoid of life? What about marine life? When lava begins to pour into the oceans, a violent chain reaction would occur. The oceans themselves would heat up to dangerous levels, creating superheated steam explosions. Entire marine ecosystems would collapse in mere moments. Could marine creatures withstand this brutal transformation? Or would entire species vanish under the deluge of molten rock? Our cities, monuments to human ingenuity, would be reduced to rubble within days. Buildings made of concrete, steel, and glass, materials that humans have used to construct homes, offices, and other vital structures, are no match for the blistering heat of lava. As molten lava falls from the sky, concrete would crack and turn to dust, steel would warp and melt, and glass would shatter into fiery shards. Transportation networks, such as roads and railways, would disintegrate. Cars would melt into the ground, while trains would be reduced to twisted wrecks. The same fate would await airplanes, as no aircraft could withstand the searing heat of lava-filled skies. Airports would be rendered useless, with runways cracked and melted under the fiery assault. Urban centers like New York, Paris, or Tokyo, cities teeming with life and commerce, would be utterly unrecognizable. Skyscrapers would be consumed by the molten rain, and streets would become rivers of fire. Major landmarks around the world, from the Eiffel Tower to the Great Wall of China, would crumble under the oppressive heat. Could these cities ever be rebuilt, or would they become nothing more than ruins of a past civilization? The global effects of lava rain would be catastrophic. The hydrological cycle, the process that drives the movement of water through the environment, would collapse. Rivers, lakes, and oceans would either evaporate or be filled with hardened lava, making the water supply nearly non-existent. In a world where lava rains from the sky, how would the planet sustain itself? What would happen to Earth's most precious resources if water could no longer circulate through the environment? The environment itself would be in turmoil. As lava spreads across the Earth, volcanoes would intensify, earthquakes would shake the planet, and violent storms would become commonplace. With the atmosphere filled with ash and smoke, sunlight would be blocked out, plunging Earth into a perpetual state of darkness. This volcanic winter would send the planet into extreme cold, while certain regions, particularly closer to the equator, would become dangerously hot. Humanity's food supply would be decimated. Without crops to harvest or wild game to hunt, mass starvation would become a reality. With temperatures fluctuating wildly between scorching heat and frigid cold, agriculture would be impossible in many regions. Could humanity find new ways to adapt to a changing planet? Or would we succumb to the harsh reality of our fiery new world? In this world of lava rains and unrelenting heat, survival would require quick thinking and innovation. The first step for any survivors would be to seek refuge underground. Governments and wealthy elites would likely retreat to underground bunkers built with the most advanced heat-proof technology. These bunkers would need to be equipped with water filtration systems, renewable energy sources, and extensive food supplies to survive the planet's apocalyptic conditions. Agriculture would have to move underground as well. With the surface no longer safe, underground greenhouses would become humanity's new breadbasket. But these underground farms would need to be protected from lava flows that might infiltrate even the most secure bunkers. Could we adapt agriculture to this new reality, or would Earth's food chain collapse? Energy production would also face a new reality. Fossil fuels might become obsolete, with geothermal and solar power being the only reliable sources of energy left. With entire ecosystems ravaged and temperatures too extreme to rely on traditional methods, could humanity's technological prowess help us survive? Or would we ultimately be driven to extinction by a planet that no longer welcomed life? The rise of lava rains would force humanity to rethink the entire structure of civilization. With society in chaos, how would governments and economies function in a world that's literally on fire? The economic systems that once relied on agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing would collapse. Resources like food, water, and shelter would become the most valuable commodities. The wealthy might retreat to fortified cities or underground bunkers, while the rest of humanity would face the brutal, fiery reality above. This divide could lead to widespread unrest. Would global cooperation become possible? Or would societal divisions deepen as survival became more important than ever before? In a world where survival depends on technology, the rich would likely control the key resources, including heat-proof materials and advanced shelter designs. But would the growing inequality lead to a new class of rebels, fighting for survival and access to life-saving technology? Would humanity's sense of unity survive, or would it fracture into factions? Despite the devastation, Earth might eventually recover. Over centuries, the lava that falls would cool and solidify, forming new landmasses. The planet's tectonic plates would shift, creating new continents and reshaping the global map. Volcanic islands would rise, while old continents might sink beneath the weight of molten rock. Could new ecosystems emerge in this volatile environment? Would life adapt to the fiery conditions, evolving in new and unimaginable ways? Extremophiles, microorganisms capable of surviving extreme heat, might become the foundation of new ecosystems. These resilient organisms could pave the way for new life forms to thrive, even in this harsh, molten world. Could humans, too, adapt to this fiery planet, or would we fade into the history books as a species unable to survive in a world of lava rains? This thought experiment serves as a stark reminder of how fragile our planet is and how dependent we are on water. If lava replaced water in the skies, how would you prepare for such an apocalypse? Could humanity find a way to thrive, or would this fiery transformation be our downfall?
Imagine living in a world where we were able to know information like what tomorrow, next week, or even years ahead held regarding information. What if we could predict the stock market crashing or evade natural disasters and possibly have a forecast of the results of massive global happenings beforehand? Sounds a lot like science fiction, doesn't it? But what if I were to tell you all of this could be made a reality with the help of AI? Already today, AI is able to predict. An example is AI being relied upon in great measure for weather forecasts. It predicts conditions based on past data. Even the financial markets use AI and data to predict stock prices, while companies like Netflix and Amazon use AI to predict what products you will like. These are just a few examples of how AI is already wading into the world of predictions. What if artificial intelligence could go even further? Imagine AI not only that could predict the weather or the market trend, but that could predict the results of elections, the spread of diseases, or even the next big technological breakthrough. Using a huge database of historical information, social media trends, and real-time information, it is possible that AI will forecast with precise accuracy all the big events. Conversely, the aim of making AI predict the future in this respect moves beyond the numbers and data. It is the angle of understanding human behavior, emotions, and the complex cause and effect webs that power our world. This is actually what makes it very thorny. Because people are unpredictable, despite all abilities of AI in analyzing past behaviors, it gets much harder to predict future actions. The potential is there, however. One day, AI will predict things like the rise of new social movements or shifts in public opinion long before they happen. This power could be a force for amazing good. Imagine being able to foresee and prevent international conflicts, economic disruptions, or, may it never be asked again, even pandemics before they begin to spread. AI could contribute to setting up a safer, more stable world. But unto whomsoever much is given, of the same shall be much required in return. The question to consider is not merely if artificial intelligence could predict, rather, it should predict. With great power comes great responsibility, and that's particularly true when it comes to AI predicting the future. Supposing AI could really foresee the future, then this would raise some huge ethical question. Who would have access to it? Should this knowledge be kept in the hands of governments, big corporations, or available to everybody? One of the largest scenarios for ethical dilemmas relates to potential misuse of predictive AI. Now, imagine if governments could predict uprisings or social movements before they even happened. Governments would really be tempted to clamp down on dissent en masse way in advance, which would eventually lead to suppressed freedom and democracy. The same holds true for businesses, in the sense that if companies could predict consumer behavior with very great accuracy, it could lead to practices of a manipulative nature in limiting consumer choice and harming competition. Then there's the privacy issue. After all, if AI is to predict the future accurately, it needs to be based on mind-boggling amounts of data, personal data among them. This really raises concerns over how much we are ready to let go of our privacy in the name of prediction. Who controls this data? How is it used? And what happens if it falls into the wrong hands? If AI could predict the future, it'll have a profound impact on society. How people could live, work, and communicate with each other. Everything would change. This will dramatically transform the decision-making processes at any level of society. Governments, businesses, and people may start to make decisions based on the forecasts of what the results are likely to be, not the current status quo. For instance, the workplace would go through overwhelming changes. Companies would start to hire and fire employees based on predicted future performance. Well, if you have such a world in your imagination, now just think you are not judged by your accomplishment of the past or your current set of skills, but what an AI predicts you would do in the future. This could really make it a very competitive and stressful workplace where one tries to live up to their predicted potential. AI predictions could influence the very activity at some personal level. People might start taking decisions related to life, say about where to live, what career to pursue, or even whom to marry, based on the prediction of AI that bestows beneficial results. While this could result in a more informed decision being made, it may, of course, stifle the life experience often gained through taking chances. And after all, uncertainty is literally the spice of life. Lastly, it affects our collective mindset. If we begin to rely on what AI predicts about us, or based on our results, we might start feeling like we have no freedom or responsibility. People could even consider that their actions don't count since the future is set by AI. This might spur a sense of fatalism and apathy, things that, for society at large, could turn fatal. In short, for all the benefits that AI's power to predict the future might bring on the flip side in the equation, it might also be heralding a forced revolution in ways of living conditions, not all of which would meet with approbation. A likely solution is creating international standards and rules for the use of predictive AI, so as to ensure that they are responsibly used and contribute to the welfare of society in general. Finally, we must keep in mind that AI is an instrument. It is not good or bad in itself. It is the way in which we choose to use it that matters. But in dealing with AI cautiously, thoughtfully, and with a commitment to ethical principles, we can harness its power to predict the future and reduce the risks. All these flow back to the question, should we build an AI that is able to predict the future? In the end, it's not a question of technology. It's a question of morals. What kind of future do we want to leverage, and how much control are we willing to let go of to machines in the process? One can make of the future just about anything. But ultimately, AI will most likely help us discover what is up ahead, and it is only us who can decide what to make of that knowledge.